Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the Chief Crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you DIY number 2 for the 12 Days of Craftmas event that is being held here locally. If you would like more information about this event, just head on over to my community tab where I briefly outline the premise behind this event. So if there's nothing else, hey, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So in our second DIY of the 12 Days of Craftmas event, we are going to create a riser or a stand using this blessed plate that was originally priced $9.99 but on clearance for 99 cents at Hobby Lobby, as well as this thankful bowl that was originally $7.99 and we got it for 79 cents. And we're just cleaning it out, or I'm just cleaning it out with some alcohol, and then I am going to take some of that Rapid Fuse by DAP, and being that the little seal right there is already in the center, I didn't have to do any real measurements. I just added some of this DAP fuse around that perimeter of it, and then I am going to take some hot glue as well for immediate hold. Now typically when I use this DAP, it seals within seconds, but I've had it for a while and I just didn't trust it, so I wanted to add the hot glue for, again, a quicker hold. And now I am just drying up some, loosening up the hot glue that spilled over onto the plate. And you'll see me adding some more hot glue because it didn't seal. I didn't have it around the perimeter of the candle holder. And this glass candle holder came from the DollarTree, guys. And that is it for this DIY. I just cleaned it again with some alcohol, and then we're going to be moving to the second part of this DIY, and that is this bowl. So all you're going to see me do is just add some of those, what they would consider river rocks or decorative stones, into this bowl. And then I am just going to add a succulent. Now keep in mind, you can fill this up with as many succulents as you want. You can pretty much use this for anything that you want to use it for, but I am going to use it as a decorative piece, and I will be gifting some different succulents, but I will be gifting this to the parent or the senior for their home. Just an added piece of home decor. And then I had some other colors that I was going to play around with, but I decided just to leave it as one big succulent in the center. I added some glue to the stem and just stuck it down in the middle of the bowl. And then I'm just making sure that I brace it really well by making sure that I have enough of the river rocks or the decorative rocks around the center of the bowl. And guys, that's it. Didn't this turn out cute? Very simple. The total cost to make this, because this plate was on clearance, was less than $2.50. And I think that is very nice and something that will be good for a countertop. And then you have this succulent bowl, which turned out very cute. And again, this project was less than $2.50. But you cannot tell it. It looks high-end. It is beautiful. And I think someone would love to have this in their home. You guys got to tell me what you think about this. I think it turned out very beautiful despite it being inexpensive. And again, I think someone would appreciate this piece in their home. And again, I will be switching out that succulent with another succulent, and probably just fill this up with a lot of different succulents to really make it stand out. But guys, I think it's cute, and I would want it, and I would style it in my house or my home. Again, guys, thank you for watching, and until the next Craftmas, bye guys.